Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a data from a BigQuery table. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your project and select the table. For example, this powerlifting table right here. I'm just going to click on it and go ahead and click on preview just for you to see. Say, for example, I wanted to delete this data where we have Peyton Crosby. Okay, I'm just going to open up the SQL right here. Now, we're going to select the table, all data from the table, like so. Hit on run. Wait for it. As you can see here, the first row we have Peyton Crosby. So to delete Peyton from the table, just go ahead and type in delete from, and then the project name and the table, like so, where meet ID is equal to 20. All right, like so. Hit on run. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says query completed. Now you can go ahead and click on go to table or just run the first script right here. And on run. Wait for it. As you can see here, Mr. Peyton is gone. That's basically how you do it. All right, another one if you wanted to check, maybe the last one right here, Mr. David Munoz. So meet ID is equal to 6569. 6569. All right, David Munoz, row 50. Hit on run. Wait for it. It's done. Run the first query. Wait for it. Scroll all the way down. Mr. Munoz is gone. I will try to find him, like so. You can't find him. Peyton. No Peyton as well. Berlin. And that's basically how you do it. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.